Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you how to make homemade mint chocolate chip ice cream. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Ara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. This happens to be a no churn ice cream recipe. It's very easy to make. All you need is a hand mixer or stand mixer, and it only requires a few ingredients. So to start off, we have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're just gonna whisk this until everything is nice and stiff and there are tough peaks. Okay, let's add 5 ounces of condensed milk. Alright, let's whisk this until everything is nice and combined. Alright, we're going to add a half teaspoon of this Peppermint Extract. We'll leave the link down below if you want to go ahead and buy it. And now we're going to add a few drops of this green food coloring. And let's mix that up. And now for the last ingredient, we're going to add a half cup of dark chocolate chips. And let's give that a mix. And we're going to transfer our mixture into a container. And we're going to cover this and put it in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. Alright, we are here the next day, and let's scoop our ice cream into a bowl. Before we get into the reveal of our mint chip ice cream, if you could give us a like down below, that would be very appreciated. We have put a lot of effort into making these videos for you, so if you could like it, not only would it share this video to more people, but it would encourage us to complete our goal of posting 30 days straight. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. But that's it for now, so click here for our last video, click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series, and click right here to subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Have a good day. Bye.